Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. We got Delbert with us today.
Thanks for having me, man. Appreciate it.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm great. I'm just loving this weather.
Oh, God,
75
yes.
and sunny.
I'm not sweating.
Well,
It's amazing.
yeah, but don't step in the sun. It's still pretty warm out there. But
Well, that's why we're in here.
yes, and it's
Okay.
beautiful in here. It's comfortable, man. Don't need the swamp cooler running.
Oh, yeah.
That's a godsend. That thing's loud.
We got a small fan going, which is just perfect. Actually, I got a little chill. God, I love it. But the reason we're here today is to talk to you about GTSP Auto Parts. They have sponsored me a part for El Caballero. And I have to say, I'm extremely excited about this. And these are a stainless steel long tube header. What I didn't realize when they were sending this to me is
Ooh. Look at
they
that.
are polished stainless steel long tube headers. I mean, look at this. Is that not a thing of beauty? Wow. I mean, very, very nice thick metal. I mean,
Look at that.
oh yeah, it comes with the comes with gaskets. And what we are going to do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about these, and then we're going to hang it on the side of the motor and see exactly what it's going to look like. But these on sale right now are $228.99. Very, very good price.
Didn't I read they were $399.99 normally?
Something like that. Yeah, it's, I mean, very good discount. They have got some great products on their site too, mostly dealing with diesel.
Ooh, so this is
So-
a gasser, and
Yeah, and
nice
I
to
mean,
have stuff for gassers.
yeah, these are strictly G-body headers, 72 to 78 G-body, which is going to be perfect for the El Camino. As I said, polished stainless. I mean, very, very beautiful looking. Nice welds everywhere. I mean, they will fit angle or straight plug, which is a good thing. And I mean, it looks like we got quite a bit of room.
Well, even the tack welds are nice.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And look how they're welded on the inside here.
Yeah, there's not going to leak.
Turn that around. I don't know if you can see that or if my phone is focusing, but the welds on the inside are just super smooth and beautiful.
Not that we'll ever see them.
Not that we will ever see them. But if you're interested, get your pencil out. These are EH-28166-S on their website. And they sent me an email and said, pick whatever you want. This is what I picked. But we are going to take these and we're going to mount them up on our motor just to see what they look like. Okay. Now I know you can't see me, but what I'm planning on doing with this engine is we're putting in header studs. And the one thing I love about header studs is you can take the gaskets and slide them right on. Oh man, that gasket hardly overlaps those chambers at all.
Perfect fit, huh?
Yes. Now, Delbert, if you'll hang on to the front of that.
I got it.
Just go right on the stud there. And I will give you a nut and a washer. Now they do say this takes the short, you got to have a short oil filter, which I hope my one I got from K&N is just okay. I think it should be. And it will not, you cannot use the stock clutch linkage with it. And that's right there where that bolts on. I can see why, which is okay because I am using an automatic.
But I do like the room you have between this.
Oh yeah, I mean, you know, here, spark plug.
Yeah.
And then, you know, here's a spark plug. You got one there.
Well, that one might be a little bit
Well, I mean, you just go under.
straight in under.
And my plug wires are going to go right through here. And I do have boots for them, so the heat won't get to them. But, wow, I mean, I want to get you in for a closer look at that. Oh, yeah. That, with that polished intake, polished water pump, those things are going to be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now then, you notice we don't have a flange here, which is fine because I'm using the weld-on V-band clamps. So that is absolute perfect for what I'm going to be doing. GTSP Auto Parts. And I want to go in and put some pictures up here of some of the other things that they have on their website. Alright, I thought what I would do, since there's only so much you can do with showing off a set of headers and going over what they are, I thought I'd just bring you in and show you their website. And right off the bat, I see something that I need. This is an AN hose assembly tool, and what it does, it helps you, it holds your hose, and this pushes the fitting onto it, and you don't have to mess with the outer weaving on it. That looks like something that would be extremely handy, and I may have to save up for that. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of what they got. They got exhaust and emissions, air fuel delivery, turbo blower looks like, performance, suspension, engines, interior, exterior tools, motorcycle. Let's see what they got in engines. It looks like they have, and they did tell me that they tend to, they tried to go toward diesel a lot, and you know, first one is 6.7 diesel Cummins crankcase ventilation, goes right on top right there. And I did not mean to hit that one, but I see something that might be very interesting. Baffled catch can reservoir kit with a filter. That would go very good for the El Caballero. I've been thinking about putting a catch can on it instead of using the PCV valves, because those keep oil in a whole lot better. Oh goodness, LS7 lifters. Small block Chevy black steering pump mounting. They've got quite a bit of stuff, and that's in the engines. Let's check out exhaust. LS headers, 6.7 Cummins EGR valve cooler delete kit. There's another 6.7 centered up LS. Small block Chevy 327-305 reusable port copper header gaskets. I mean, they've got just a little bit of everything. Y'all need to definitely go and check out their site. Customer service has been just wonderful. Tools, motorcycle stuff, engine cooling components. I've got this right here for mine. Didn't come from them, but I got it from Evil Energy, I believe. But it's a transmission hose. Had I known they had it, I would have been getting it from them for certain. But I mean, there's that line installation kit right there, $129. Battery bracket relocation hold down kit for Optima batteries. There's a good one. I mean, look at this. 10, 16, and 20 foot 6AN fuel line hose. Stainless steel for oil and gas. 4538 with the fittings. You cannot beat that. I mean, wonderfully laid out website. And I am very excited to be working with these guys for a lot in the future. Oh, what do we got here? Is this... throttle body carburetor cable mount. GM 700R4. Check that out. That's a nice looking deal. Okay. Line straightener. That looks like it is an adjustable. Use it for just about every line. I bought mine through Eastman, and it's one size. If you want another size, you got to buy another one. That gets a little expensive. 5 stars from 705 reviews. They got blog sites, online support, safe shopping guarantee. I mean, guys, please go check them out. Yeah, I'm definitely, even if I don't work with them for another product or something, I'm definitely going to be buying from them in the future. But please check them out. They have a lot of good exhaust products, and I beg y'all to please go check them out. That is gorgeous. Now then,
I want to put it in the car so bad.
oh, it's coming. It's coming real quick. Brian is supposed to be here later today. We're going to get the push rods measured. Once we have the measurement for the push rods, we can start doing final assembly on the motor.
Wow.
And once final assembly is done, I got to get the transmission cleaned up, resealed, get it on behind it, and we're setting it in the frame. We're that close. So guys, it's getting exciting. GTSP, thank you so much. Delbert, thank you for showing up and helping me.
I love these things.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I love them.
Yeah, this right here, this is my thumbnail. But guys, please go check them out. www.gtspautoparts.com. It'll be right here on the screen. It's in the description below. If they have any discounts, they'll be down there. We appreciate them greatly. Go check them out, and we will see you next time on Santa's Workshop.